Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I want to teach you how to make money watching videos in 2020. Now this is going to be free PayPal money. It's a super quick and easy video, but if you don't stay through the whole thing, you're not going to be able to be making money online. So I highly recommend that you don't skip forward and you sit here and just watch the whole video. It's going to be really short, really sweet. I'm going to teach you how to make money online in less than an hour a day, only requiring your computer. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos that I'll be posting. But if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. So guys, with this video, it's not going to be a get-rich scheme, but it is going to help you make a little bit extra money online, especially with the whole virus thing going on. Most people want to, increase their income or don't want to be leaving their house and exposing themselves to, whatever's going on. So today we're going to be using a couple sites. The first one that I really want to draw your attention to is user testing. So I'm not the biggest fan of surveys, which this isn't exactly surveys. You're going to be doing tests and giving your feedback to actual companies who want to know certain things about their products, their online stuff. It's going to be really quick and easy. So what you're going to want to do when you first get to the homepage, this is what you're going to see. You're going to want to click on Get Paid to Test. So as you can see, it's really super quick to sign up. You just sign up right here with an email address. Now make sure this is an email address that you can access often because that's how they're going to be contacting you about tests that they want you to take. So throw yourself an email right in here. You're going to want to click I've read and agree to the terms and privacy and then hit the apply button. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. Now how it works is influence the biggest brands, latest technology, innovative companies while earning a little extra spending money in your spare time. So like I said, you're going to sign up, you're going to take these tests. Now they want to know your feedback on the products that you love and use already today. And then you're going to get paid. Now, it's, like I said, guys, not going to get rich scheme, but you do earn $10 for every 20-minute test you complete, and even more for interviews. So if you can bang out, say, like 3 of these an hour, you're going to be making about $30 an hour. Make your voice heard. Now, a lot of companies that really depend on this are like Home Depot, Facebook, CVS, Adobe, Ford. So there are a lot of big companies that is using user testing to get your feedback on their products, websites, things of that nature. Now, they have a lot of tests going out and a lot of payment participants that have actually used this website and made money online just taking these tests. They have 35,000 brands influenced, and then if you want to keep scrolling down, as you can see, there's a lot of user testimonials of people who have used this site and they make money really easy. Now, the payment is going to be cash money and it is sent to you to your PayPal in about 7 days after you've taken the test. So, like I said in the last video, if you have not made a PayPal account, I really highly recommend it. All you need is an email and a bank account to link it up to, or a bank card, something along those lines, and you can get yourself your PayPal account and get it rocking and rolling. How do I get paid? What is the application process? So our paid participants, they pay them through PayPal, and like it says right here, payments are exactly 7 days after completing a website app test. It just ensures all the quality of your recordings and things of that nature. You don't really need a lot to get started. And it says how much money can you make, the number of opportunities we'll receive. looking on your participants with your experience of doing these tests. So it's a really quick and easy way to make money online. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to sign anybody up for anything. You're not going to be doing any cold calls, so it's really quick. It's really easy. All you need is a little bit of time and a computer. Another couple sites that are just like user testing is userfeel.com. The pay is about the same here. When you get there, what you're going to do is you're going to want to become a tester. So you click right there. Each test lasts about 10 to 20 minutes, so it's about the same. You're going to conduct usability tests on websites. It's really quick. It's really easy. You don't have to put your face on camera or anything like that. What you're going to do is you're going to have to speak clearly into a microphone while using their websites and record it. Like I said, you don't have to put your face on the camera. If I were you, I would just get a microphone. They're super cheap. You can buy them off Amazon.com. You should. No, should I use my real name and address while conducting a test? No, you should use fake details while conducting a test. So there's a lot of questions answered here. They tell you what makes a good tester, what they want you to do, what they don't want you to do. So it's really straightforward. How you make money. You're going to get paid through PayPal as well on this site. So it's really easy, simple, easy peasy. You're going to want to make sure, though, that you are in a quiet area. So I don't suggest you go to a very loud area and start recording these tests, or they're going to get refused and you're not going to receive payment for these tests. You need to put your phone on a do not disturb mode just so that you don't get interrupted. You're not receiving calls during these tests. And just try and complete all the tasks that they ask you to do. So it's really quick. It's the same thing for all of these websites across the board. Now, the last site that I want to draw your attention to is Try My UI. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Get Paid to Test Again. Now, with this site, there's going to be, a little bit more information that they're looking for, but it literally is the exact same stuff. And I'm giving you all of these sites so that way you can get as many jobs as possible, and you can get your responses all wrapped up really quick and easy so you can get paid the most amount of money. So guys, I told you to be short and sweet. That's the video. It's super duper easy. You'll be able to make some of your first wins online making money as an online entrepreneur. You won't need to leave the comfort of your own house and risk exposure with the virus going on. It's a win-win. It's awesome, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications for future videos. And if you want to make really good money online, you want to know my number one recommendation for making money online, it's going to be the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys.